Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Forms for registration. If you need to register participants for an event, class, webinar, job application or membership, Google Forms is one of the best free tools to use. It allows you to collect names, emails, phone numbers and other important details in a simple and organized way. And today I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Now let's start. The first step is to open Google Form. And you can do this by going to Google Workspace and then sign in using your Google account. Now once you sign in, you're going to be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, select a blank form. Now the second step is to name your form. Now in this section, name your form to Form for Registration or Webinar Registration Form. The second step is you can add a description describing providing important details such as date and time of the event, who can register, and deadline for registration, and any special instructions. As for the third step is to add registration fields, and to do that, just click on the plus button right here next to the form to add questions, and you can also add full name. You can collect necessary information. Some essential fields must include full name. Now it's automatically switched to short answer, so the recipient can write its full name. You can also add a question for the email address, the phone number, date of birth, the address, the event preferences, and you can also choose to upload to make a question for uploaded file. You can choose a file upload. So it's useful for job applications and ID uploads or documents. The fourth step is to make important fields required. You can click on each question and toggle required button to prevent users from skipping the question. The fifth step is to enable confirmation and response collection, and you can do that by turning on send respondents copy of their responses so they get a confirmation email. The sixth step is to customize the design, and you can do that by clicking on the paint palette on the top right corner and choose a theme color, background color and the font. You can also upload a header's image, for example an event logo or a business branding. The seventh step and the final one is to publish and share the registration form, and you can click on publish and click again on publish, and then you can click on the share button right here on the top right corner and make sure you change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and after that copy the responders link. The eighth step is to view and export responses, and to do that just click on responses here to track who registered, and then click on link to sheets to export and analyze the data, and your registration form is now live. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.